Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 3 useful Google Chrome shortcuts and features you can use every day. First, let's learn how to open your downloads quickly. Open Google Chrome, then press Ctrl J on your keyboard. As you can see, your download list instantly appears. Simply click any of the file to open it, or click the folder icon to show where the files are saved on your PC. Next, let's save a web page as a PDF. Open any web page in Google Chrome. For this example, I'm going to use Wikipedia. Now press Ctrl P to open the print menu. Then, under Destination, choose Save as PDF. After that, click Save to download the web page as a PDF file. And there you have it, the web page has been saved as a PDF. Finally, here's a quick way to switch between tabs faster. Since I already have this PDF opened and a Wikipedia on the other tab, I'm going to open one more tab as an example. Then press Ctrl Tab on your keyboard. As you can see, Chrome automatically switches to the next tab. And that's it. Thanks for watching.